guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review on this new company called Wowigs hair. I'll have all their information linked down below in my description box. I do have a coupon code for you guys, and they're having a 50% off sale, so go ahead and check my description box if you want to learn more on how to save money. This wig does have the traditional combs, which you guys know how I feel about that. They're my preference, even though I only typically use the back comb. I'm also showing you guys that in the back you do not get any adjustable straps, so beware of that. This wig is perfect for anyone who has a lot of hair or a larger size head because the cap construction is nice and roomy. The first thing that I noticed once I put this wig on my head is that it has a lot of volume at the top. But that's a good thing because you're not going to have to worry about any tracks showing with this wig. This wig is 18 inches and the name of this wig is Highlight Honey Blonde Straight Headband Wig. So as you guys can see, the shade of brown is more like a number 4 or a chestnut brown. And then you have the honey blonde highlights all through. It is a silky texture and you will not get any tangling with this wig. And I don't even remember getting any shedding. It's just a really like buttery texture. And like, see my fingers gliding right through it? Like, yes, it's definitely a wig that I would say is going to last you a long time with proper care. Since I was loving this texture, I wanted to see how it would hold a curl, and I also just want to see how you can take this wig from like an everyday style to a more glam or a more dressed up look. So right now I'm just going to show you guys how easy this wig curls, and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts. If you're looking for a easy everyday style but you want a little bit oomph in it, then this wig is for you. If you like a more toned down look and you like sleek straight styles but you also love versatility, then this headband wig is for you. If you are the type of person who just loves color and you like to switch up your look, then sis, sir, this headband wig is for you. Right now you see me adding a little bit of my Got To Be Glue High Insta Hold spray, and it's just going to set the curls and make sure the curls are locked in place because I am finger combing them out, and you know when you finger comb your curls out they tend to fall a little bit. But I did wear this wig for the rest of the day. Yeah, I wore that wig all day, and the curls stayed in place. I showed you guys some clips in the beginning of the video of my whole little look with this style. I thought it was very complimentary to the look that I was going for. I was going for like a casual chic look, and I think this wig definitely helped me pull that off. Once again, I want to reiterate that I did not hardly get any shedding, if any. I can't even remember seeing a strand of hair that day. So if there was any shedding, it was just in my brush, and it probably was a strand or two. So definitely a low maintenance wig, no tangling. This is the type of unit that you can pull out for special occasion or every day. It's so versatile. I love the color of this wig. I think it will be perfect for summer. If you guys are interested in checking this wig out, I'll leave a link to Wow Wigs in my description box. Be sure to use my coupon code. I will have that linked in the info section as well, and I'll probably link it on the screen. I want to thank you guys for rocking with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.